Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious meat broth. First, gather your ingredients, including a good selection of bones and fresh aromatics. Next, you will want to roast your bones to develop a richer flavor and color. Then, simmer everything gently for several hours, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, strain the broth and cool it properly for safe storage. This process ensures a flavorful and versatile base for many dishes. For a robust meat broth, select a mix of bones, like beef marrow bones, chicken carcasses, or pork hocks. These provide collagen and flavor. Incorporate aromatic vegetables such as 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. A bay leaf and a few peppercorns will also enhance the taste. Remember to clean your bones thoroughly before roasting to remove any impurities. To begin simmering, place all your prepared ingredients into a large pot and cover them with cold water. This helps to slowly extract maximum flavor. Bring the pot to a very gentle simmer, ensuring it never reaches a rolling boil, which can make the broth cloudy. Skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour. Continue to cook for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a richer result. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. It is crucial to cool the broth rapidly to prevent bacterial growth. You can do this in an ice bath. Store the cooled broth in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze the broth in smaller portions, where it will remain good for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.